Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your Google ad not showing impressions, or it appears to be enabled but it's not running. As you see here, this advert was running for 2 days. It was just active. There was no impression here. That was on 2 days ago. No, zero clicks, zero impressions. The next day, same thing, zero clicks, just 3 impressions. Then I did the trick, and after I solved it, just within 1 hour today, as you can see, is what 71 impressions and what 4 clicks, just within an hour after I fixed it. So I'm going to show you how to also fix it if you have this kind of problem. There are several reasons. I will go one by one and you understand. You apply them one at a time to see. Now, the most common reason why your advert may not be showing impressions, number one, is your bidding strategy is wrong, or wrong bidding strategies. Now, when you come to the campaign, for example, you see this is a campaign that I'm running. When you click on the settings, then you go to bidding. Now, the problem I have with most people is that they instead of they are starting a new ad campaign or new account, instead of them to maximize for clicks or impressions, to optimize for clicks or impressions, they are rather bidding for what? For conversions. If you have not even set up your conversion tracking, or even if your conversion tracking is set up, but you don't know probably what would be the correct or actual amount for per conversion, you don't need to optimize for conversion. Okay, so here, for example, initially, this advert was optimizing for conversions. And when I came, I realized that no, it is a new account. It will not be the best to optimize for conversion. So here, for example, as it was conversions, I had to click on change bidding strategy. So when you come and click here, you see there are options. You can optimize for conversions or whatever you want to optimize for. So here I optimize for what? Clicks. Once you optimize for clicks, you will get more impressions and people that will definitely click on the advert so that you can achieve your target objective. So with the clicks, you have to also choose your what? Cost per click bid amount. So here, for example, I did a research and I realized that the average cost per click is around 1 point something. But because I want to rank higher than any other person in within this particular niche or market, I chose 2.1. So with the 2.1, even someone who chooses 2, I am ahead of the person and I'll rank higher than the person. So wrong bidding strategy is number one. Number two is the budget. Your budget may be too small. For example, you see that the average cost per click here is 1.16. So what it means is that if I choose a budget of say $5, it means that I'm likely to see just about 4 clicks in a day. That is too small. So what you should do is that whatever your average cost per click is, if there is data available, multiply that by 10. So 1.16 times 10, that would be around $10 and some coins, 10 point something. Okay, so here, so I've chosen what? A budget of what? $10. As you see, the budget is what? $10. And even this one is too small. Some of you, your cost per click, this is for an audience in Africa or Ghana. If your target location is countries like US, Canada, UK, your cost per click may be about $5. And so in that case, 5 times 10 will be about around $50. So if your target location is any of those countries, I don't expect you to spend anything less than $50 per day. Even if it is lower than $50, make sure it's $30 and above. If not, you will not get any meaningful results. Okay, so that is the second reason. Now we go to the third one. The third one is that you may have keyword issues. With the keyword issues, when you come, as the advert is running, when you look at your left, you will see keyword. So you scroll down to the keyword and then you will see a list of the keywords that your advert is showing for, or probably that are in your advert. So I want to just show you something. So here you will see all the keywords that are showing for your advert. And sometimes if you look under the eligible, some of your keywords, you may see that it will write there that not eligible. Any keyword you see not eligible, you may hover around it and you can click. It will tell you the reason why it's not eligible. You see, it says this keyword is eligible to run ads. Yes, yeah. So that is it. Then sometimes, so you can add more if there is any keyword here that Google has a problem with, you can do more keyword research and add more keywords. So in order to do that, you come to, let me just come here and show you. You come to your tools, go to discover new keywords, then you put your URL here and put your keyword. For example, let me see. So I put a keyword and I do what? I put the URL, then you click on get results. So you see, they will show you the keywords that are actually showing search results for that particular keyword that you want to rank for. So you look at all of that, those that relate to your product or service, you copy them and then come here, click on what? Add, then select the ad group that you're running, put the keyword here, and then click on what? Save. So it will add all those keywords here for you. Yeah, so that is what you have to do. And then so that is the third reason why your advert may not be performing. We go to the fourth reason. So come back, and then this is the ad campaign. So sometimes when you come and look at the status of your ad account, you may see limited here. Now this advert is running, but it's limited in a way. What is the limit? When you come and hover around it, it says that moderately restricted. It is moderately restricted. The reason is that if you actually click here to know the policy, which is health in personalized advertising, there is a policy in Google that says that certain type of ad that shows certain types or that is for certain type of product or services or contain certain images, some people have chosen that they don't want to see it. For example, this advert is running for prostate cancer, and with the prostate cancer, if you go to the site, you may see images like yeah, something like this. Some people have chosen that they don't want to actually see those kind of images or those kind of ads. Or at least when you read it, it's talking about what? The male sex organ. So some people have chosen that those kind of things they don't want to see it. So they've chosen it in their personalized settings. And in some countries too, it is against, in fact, they have even banned ads relating to that, anything relating to sexual content. Okay, so in that case, those adverts may be limited, but this advert, that's why it says moderately limited or restricted. The reason is that in the part of the country where I'm targeting, in fact, most of the time, they may even limit the advert to say people above 18 years, people that are up to 18 years and above. And my advert is even for people around 30 and above or 40 years and above. So even if they limit it to 40 or 30 and above or 18 and above, it is not anything that will affect me. Secondly, my target location is Ghana, and Ghana doesn't have any law that bans advert of this nature. So I don't have any problem, or the limit will not affect me. So, but you have to check if it is severely or completely restricted. It means the advert will not run. That may be a reason why. Okay, so we go to the next one. The before I tell you the next reason, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. I am a digital marketer, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads expert, and I'm also a web developer. If you need any of our services, you want us to come in to make sure that your advert is working and delivering results, you can check the WhatsApp or Telegram link to WhatsApp us. I will come in to help you see good results for your business. Thank you, and let's continue. Okay, so the fifth reason is that your advert may have maybe a new account. Your Google ad account may be a new Google ad account. So if it's a new account, sometimes if the algorithm doesn't have enough information about the ads you've run so far, it takes time to adjust to get data and then pick up. So it may be the reason. Yes, and there's a bonus one. The bonus one is that the location may be the problem. So for example, you go and choose a very small location or small town that has a population of less than 100,000 people that are searching on Google for that particular key term. In that case, the advert is definitely not going to show any significant results. Those are some of the reasons why your advert may not deliver effectively on Google, or you may be running, it is showing active, but it's not delivering any results. Thank you once again. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.